National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chisago County, northern Washington County, northern St. Croix County, south central Polk County, and northwestern Wisconsin until 2:45 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hugo, or 20 miles northeast of St. Paul, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near India around 2:10 a.m. Somerset and Osceola around 2:15 a.m. New Richmond around 2:20